I'm reviewing today the V15. I'm going to shine it down on the table. That's 1200 lumens called turbo mode. I have here in my hand is the V10. Lights out, baby. That's no camera magic. That is the V10. Got glow in the dark. It has a siren as well. Now the V15, it has a 80-degree angle that you can adjust, and it has the two whites in the center on the outside, a red, a warm, and a blue. And they light up in different types of lumens, 12 lumens to 35 lumens, and each one will run a certain amount of hours, 4 to 12 hours of runtime. We have 3 COB LEDs in the front, 1200 lumens down to 12 lumens. And you have turbo, high, medium, low, and economy mode that'll give you up to 48 hours of runtime. And the more power you use, of course, the less runtime. I'm going to shut the lights off, but I am going to double press, it's gotta be a good press. And you can see that I'm lit up. And if I change to the next mode, this is the medium mode, the low mode, and of course the lowest mode, give you 48 hours of runtime, and then back to the high mode. And if I long press it, it shuts off, and long press and hold it, I'm on that turbo mode. If I come here and double press, I got those two white lights, as you can see. And I could cycle through to the red, to the flickering, and then to the other one, the police, and then back to the orange and the white. Now the thing this one does not have is SOS, and it does a good job. It lights up pretty well. Now if I wanted to hang this up onto a ceiling with the magnet, I can do so, let go. I'm hands-free. And this is the other one. Ooh, got the light going, the siren lighting me up. And I could hang this up to the ceiling as well. So this way I could continue to show you the light. Now if I wanted to and clip it to my belt, and I hope you can see it right here, and I could walk my dog nice and safely, be hands-free, or put it to the dog, anything imaginable. I hope this is something that you may be looking for, because what if I need to walk around in the dark, get to the boiler room, work on the car nighttime, walking in the street, just being safe. That's where these flashlights come. And I could adjust the angle of the flashlight. Ooh, don't want to shine that in your face. And you can see I'm shining up right up to me if I'm doing video vlogs or whatnot. Well, this is a nice review giving you an idea what the light is about. I'm going to go show you at nighttime what we could show, but when there's lights outside, you're not going to see much to see how far this could shine out. So let's show you that at nighttime and get on going. It's extremely cold, and we are basically looking in our way in a dark garage. You can see the light is on. It's on high now. We're on the turbo, so this way I don't have to keep it on. I just press it when I'm ready. Well, I hope you enjoy this review of the BORUIT V15 flashlight. It's an excellent BORUIT V15 on high if I need to see in the garage, or if I want to have a light, low economy so I could just go. Well, I press on the top button for the light, and I just find something metal that I could hang my flashlight onto. And there I go. It hangs up just like that. Very simple indeed. So I hope you can enjoy your BORUIT V15. Thank you for viewing.